Yep.
Okay, so today guys we're going to go through a video review of the AddsFit Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Exhibit A. So I'm a big fan of massage guns anyway because I tend to get very tight, particularly on my hips, knees and lower body. So I like to use them for releasing tissue and then also after working out. So I'm going to give this for a trial run today and see what's in here. So I haven't opened this yet. So we've got a very convenient and glamorous travel case. And then, that's pretty cool. So I don't know why, this reminds me of like if I had a gun or I knew anything about guns, you'd have like guns and you put it all together. I suppose technically this is a massage gun. So, I presume we construct this. This is a battery pack. But I'm going to do the male thing here and just try and like work it out without reading the instructions. So I guess that worked. Okay. I tell you what, this is pretty sick. And where are the? So this must be our bag of lovely attachments. So this is really nice. In terms of quality, if you look at that, oh, there's more in here as well. So it looks like we have instructions on how to use. It even comes with instructions on how to use it. So that's something I haven't seen before. So full instructions of how to use it with the product. Really, really good images of what muscles to work through, what head to use as well, which is pretty decent. So that's pretty impressive. I was expecting that. So compliments to AddsFit on that, and then instruction on how to put it together. But I don't need to know any instruction how to put it together because I'm a dude and we just put things in and we just work it out. So can't be that complicated. So let's find an attachment. He says, presume. So okay, so it looks like we've got different ends. And then we've got, okay, I'm gonna guess this goes in first. Yep, and then pop the end on. There we go. Job done, so we managed to work that out. I think that's your power setting. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. So you've got the power button. You can crank it up. It's pretty quiet to clear. It's max power. This is way quieter than the ones I've used before. It's like the Rolls Royce of massage guns. It's pretty impressive. Got an effective illumination screen. And then we can turn it back down and then off. So I'm going to give this a test. And I've probably got the tightest hips in the world at the moment, so this is probably my favourite place I like to use massage guns. So it's right at the top of the hip bone, so crank it up to full volume. I don't even know why they don't just have a full volume setting. And yes. Bang. So it's much, much quieter than previous massage guns I've used before. In terms of head fittings, we've got all types of different toys here. So we've got like a Y wishbone, a flat head, one with like 4 points on it, and then more of a flat edge. So all different parts of the body to use, and all as I'm sure will be explained in the jazzy brochure that comes with it. So okay, so this is a comparison to a generic massage gun. So we have the AddsFit one, and then we have generic massage cheek gun. So in terms of noise, it's a bit like a machine gun going off. It's quite loud. And then compared to that, it's probably about 20% of the sound. So it's a big, big difference. You also notice it doesn't rattle around in my hand as much. So proof is in the pudding, I think, with that one. In terms of quality, in terms of that's probably going to drive you slightly mental when you're trying to use it, whereas this is pretty silent. So the AddsFit Silent Assassin massage gun, it should be called. Yeah, very, very impressed. If you want one of these bad boys, I would probably suggest checking them out if you're looking for a massage gun. We'll pop the link below the video so you guys can take a look for yourselves. And I will be using this for the upcoming monthly years to improve my recovery and performance. So if anyone needs a massage gun, check out AddsFit.